Hi everybody, I just want to take a minute to show you some of the additions to your Boardmaker Online accounts. There are some nice additions that are free with all of our accounts now. To check those out, go to your dashboard when you're logged in, select Curriculum, and then you'll notice a host of curriculum right here. There's Boardmaker Core First. A lot of people used this last year for core vocabulary. There's Expedition Education, which is social studies based. And then there's book bridges down here for literacy. I'm just going to take a second and look at each of these. Under your Core First Learning, what you can do is select sets of core words, choose the word you're working on, and then be presented with a whole host of activities for those words. There are matching, there's books, there's some flashcards, and a whole host of other type games to go along with each of the words. So if you're working on core vocabulary in your classroom and you can find the word that or words that you're working on, this is a great way to have easy activities right at your fingertips. Again, from stories to flashcards and things like that. They can be used on the smartboard, they can be printed, but there's a whole host of activities in there to use. So that's under Curriculum, Core First Learning. Expedition Education, again, is social studies based. It provides activities on a number of topics, and those topics increase as they add them every so often. But to just give you an idea, let's choose Canada here. Gives you some ideas or some topics down here, printables, and then also activities to go along with that. Again, right through Boardmaker Online. The last one, which I want to show you quickly, which is really interesting and neat, are the book bridges. Book bridges are designed for our students to meet the academic standards in reading, writing, and vocabulary through grade level literature. Let's just choose second and third. So what you have are some popular books at this grade level. If you have these books and you're using them with your students, let's choose Magic Treehouse. What it does is it breaks down each chapter. It breaks down each chapter and gives you activity sets to go along with those chapters for vocabulary, reading, comprehension, writing support, and a whole variety of other activities. So again, it's a nice place to check out if you are doing those books or see what's out there and maybe add them to your classroom. For students that are able to do that at that level, it's a really good use of Boardmaker Online in combination with that literature. And remember, this can be done on the iPad as well. The other piece I want to show you, which I'm very excited about, that Boardmaker has added, for now you need to go to the website mayorjohnson.com, Boardmaker Activities to Go, this website right up here. And Activities to Go are just that. They're thematic-based printable activities to use in your classroom. Now, I'm going to look quickly at the school, back to school, since that's where we are right now. Level A, B, and C. Let's just choose level A. That's going to open in a zip file down here. Once that opens up, you can see all of the activities that are included in here. There's a picture game, there's vocabulary, there's a book, matching, materials. So you can see this is something that could easily be used in some of your classrooms for going back to school. There's an All About Me page and things like that. Now, while these are not able to be interacted with on the interactive whiteboard, you could display them on the whiteboard and use the pens, or you could easily put it in something like Smart Notebook, and you can use the screen capture and cut the images and make them movable that way as well. So again, this was just a brief look at the free curriculum solutions now included with Boardmaker Online subscriptions, including the core vocabulary, social studies, expedition education, your book bridges. It also showed you the addition of the print and go, Boardmaker activities to go, printable activities. These are the ones we have so far, and they're adding more weekly and monthly to this. Again, once you go in, you can download the zip file, open it up, and your activities are ready to print or use on the whiteboard statically with the pens or other options like that. But definitely get in and check this out. They're ready to go. Just simply print and use in your classroom. So this was a quick look at the free items now added to the Boardmaker Online accounts. If you have any needs or want to look at them more with me and create lessons together, we are able to do that anytime. Just let me know. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.